Hello, welcome back to the channel Hard2Set Info, and today I will show you how to see your likes on X. So open X application on your phone and tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen, then access your profile, and as you can see your profile is divided into several sections right here. So you want to go to likes tab, and here you will see every single post that you have ever liked. And a little note that only you can see this tab on your profile, and no one, even followers, cannot see this likes tab on your profile anymore. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.